right now at the House of Agape of Dr. Yogan Cho's church. Very, very, very lovely. So it's a prayer mountain. This is the prayer mountain area, Agape House registration. And this is Dr. Yogan Cho's picture. And I think this is the assistant pastor picture. So yeah, it's pretty amazing. Agape House prayer mountain registration area the chulu so Dr. Yogan Cho yet only or through chait not assistant pastor anymore. So registration is on low 80% not registration no pastor dawa to know kuni pay as well to know no thank you no God bless God's so good. Hey, help me. So we are going to University of the Prayer Mountain area. The Elsa, no, the Atinda and Murenia, no, the Prayer Mountain. So, Sia Yogi Cho ye, no, University. While I don't know, Tony, no, Chana Jamo. Wow, look at this. How amazing. Yeah? Look at that. That's beautiful. Daro World Mission Center today, the Mavono. Eteri, Ternia today, no? The Malata Cook, no?
Patient Center, the other guest house.
Oh. Sit down, can you? No? This is the prayer rooms. These are the prayer rooms.
Single prayer room. Yeah,
oh.
Okay. That's down camp there. Mayma, sit down camp on Daria. I'm going to be sit down in here. That you guys down in here today. It's around 74, no, sir. Oh, okay. 多了一些呢。 多了。
哇。
那这个有没有？
好没有？
哎，那看到那个一喷的，啊，一喷两个。
好嘅，
还有这个天。哎，这边嘛，啊，这边就比了。
哦，哇。
哇，好啦，搬家嘞，把嘞，啊，搬家。
哦，aircon 咯。
aircon 里面打着咯。你走吧。
Yeah, right.
BBC.
Okay, see, I must down now.